して深呼吸川のせせらぎ風鈴の音色日常の疲れそっと溶けてゆく心身ともにほら Reset myself
Okay, hi guys. So I'm just walking Jinx. And today we're going to be doing basically like a reset for the beginning of the year. We're going to be doing like, I'm probably going to clean the house, go grocery shopping, and just try and organize all my stuff, try and downsize because I have way too much stuff. Yeah, and just organize all my cupboards and stuff. So right now, oh my god, I'm just walking Jinx and she just friggin' pulled the lead. Okay. Yeah, so I've got to go grocery shopping and I also have to pick up some parcels from the post office. I think they're just books. I'm not really sure. I can't remember what it is. Well, one of them, I'm not sure what it is. And yeah, Jinx is being a bit crazy. Also the dogs need a bath, have to do washing, make the bed and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's just going to be 2026 reset. Jinx, come on. Okay, Jinx has the literal zoomies. Okay, so I just got back from the shops. I just went to Target and I got this can holder for my drinks. And then I showed you guys already, but I got this freezer fridge storage set. And it was really cheap. So I'm gonna see what's in it. I mean, I know what's in it, but I didn't really know what was in it. Okay, so there's two of these. Two of those. And then there's this small one. Oh wait, there's two of those. And then there is one large one. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to put in these, but I'm going to wash them up and then we'll see what to put in them. But that's definitely more than enough containers for the fridge. It helps keep things fresh.
Are you going to cook with all that? Are you going to use all of those cooking today?
Not today.
自然の中で心を解放する
Oh my god, it's beautiful! Okay, so I have restocked and organized the fridge. There's basically just random stuff up the top. And then proteins on this shelf. And then these are like herbs and stuff. Fruit, some veggies, and then drinks. And then all the dog food is in the bottom. I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so this is the bathroom stuff that we are going to be working through. I'm probably just going to take everything out and then clean the drawers and then put it all back in and get rid of stuff. Jinx actually chewed this toothpaste up. So I'm just gonna get rid of it because I bought a new one. I've organized that. Mainly just put all the scrunchies in here because these get messed up like a lot. And yeah. And then that's all the crap that I'm chucking out. Okay, so I also ordered these for Jinx. She already has this exact same set. But we've already used all 6 buttons. So I thought I would get her some more. I don't know, I couldn't really seem to find where to order like just the buttons. So I just had to get the same starter kit again. I do have some idea what I'm going to do for the buttons, but we'll just see how it goes. I might use some of these stickers because I got one with the last one, but I never used it. Maybe I can use the water one. Okay, so I'll show you Jinx's color grid, but essentially the red is like places, orange is people or dogs, and then purple is like an action. And that's just the way we've done it for her. So she's got mum, dad, Jinx, and then she's got play, cuddles, and then she's got outside. I was thinking to do like now and later, but I'm not sure which one to put it on. Maybe the purple one. Jinx. I really hope she doesn't eat them. I mean, she's already eating them, but we had a lot of trouble when she was a baby. She literally just ate this whole thing.
Dad.
Okay, that one was an accident.
No.
Outside?
Okay, as you can see, she loves to press the outside button. And she's got tape on her. Okay, she had a bit of masking tape attached to her because she keeps eating the tape. So I think I might do the now one because we kind of use that sometimes. Well, we usually use the later word, but now.
Now?
I might try that again. Oh shit. Okay, I don't know what just happened. Okay, I do not know what just happened. I think I was too quick.
Now?
Sounds weird. The other one sounded a lot better. They also made a slightly different beeping sound. Now?
Now?
Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. And then I'm just gonna write it on the sticker.
Now?
She's
Now?
pressing it. She's already pressing it. Okay. Jinx, don't steal the pen. Okay, it looks weird, but we got the sticker. And then it already comes with a plastic film over the top. That's why I wrote on the other one. But I've not tried these before, so we'll see how they go. Oops.
Now?
Oops. Oh, okay, luckily this one gives you ideas because I was actually thinking to do some of these, but I kind of forgot about them. There's one that says love you, and I've seen a lot of other dogs doing this, and it's really cute, so I might do that one. She's trying to press it. Okay. These were expensive, but honestly I think it's worth it. They're really cute. I have had the other ones before, but they don't come with the mat, so they like slip around when the dog like paws them. Okay, so I've added love you, now, later.
Later.
Oops. And I'll save these other 3 for another time because I don't want to overwhelm her. So we'll just do those for now. She's already curious. I think she'll learn quickly. We added mum and dad at the same time and she learnt those so quick. I do also want to add Pippa here. Okay, pretty good. But yeah, today is going to be day 2 of the reset. Okay, this is the final product. It is accidentally way too spicy for me. But apart from that, I think it's tasty. I haven't actually tried it yet. I only just tried a little bit. But I'll try it tomorrow.